Zip is on the front or at the back?
At the back.
Back.
No, here.
Okay, sige.
Not here.
Ito ang suotin mo?
Shark!
Shark. Okay, sige. Si Calby, anong suotin ni Calby?
Dinosaur!
Where are you going? Where are you going?
We are going to Transylvania. No, not Transylvania. To
Why do you say
slide.
Transylvania?
Because we're going to the rain. The Transylvania.
That's funny.
Mom, today we went to SF to see Hot Wheels.
Not true.
No Hot Wheels.
There's no Hot Wheels in SM.
There is.
Okay, Calby, you practice your swimming, okay?
Why should I? Mom, so I'm going to I said when I slide. Oh!
I'm not going with you. You can swim on your own.
You can carry us.
No mama for you, okay? It's okay. You know how to go back home without mama? You know how to go back home?
So you're not going to come back at work?
Yeah. So how are you going home if mama is not there?
Mom, so you're going to go at work?
No. Just joking.
Mom, so you're going to get the pool watching us? Yay!
Mama is wearing a swim clothes, you see?
It does not. But it looks like my shark swimming clothes, but it's just a bit different from the shark because it's like a clothes.
It's blue.
Yeah, mine is blue. But yours looks different, and it looks like dark blue.
Dark blue.
Yeah, it looks like dark blue, like it's black, white,
So,
orange.
whose idea is it to go swim with the slides?
Me.
Your idea?
Yeah.
Did Chico like the idea?
Yeah.
And why did we have to leave your sister?
Mommy,
Because?
But I must try if I can slide because
Of course.
I can't. I'm almost 5 years old now. I have to try to slide on that slide.
Okay. But why did we have to leave Mayumi?
Mayumi fart.
Why?
Because we fart.
Mayumi has what? Rash.
What's rash?
She cannot be out in the sun and in water. She needs to stay home and cool down.
Why?
Because she has a rash.
Oh no. Si doctor say si Mayumi wala si Gabi go outside.
Tama.
Tama ba?
Tama po.
Mami said no tama po. I mean tama ba? Chico, you
Tama
forgot
ba?
your goggles, but I did.
Oh, Chico, where's your goggles?
I left it at home. Look, I look in the sunlight, it still cleans. Even when I use sunglasses.
When you look in the sun, it pains because it's not a sunglasses. It's a goggles for swimming.
Even sunglasses makes my eye even like that.
Pack your things first kay malapit na tayo. Sige na. It's not far.
It's not fun.
Zip it up.
Zip it up.
Calby, what did you say?
I'm excited.
Excited to do what?
Slide.
Chico, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get your sticker. Ganito lang. Ito, Chico. Ticket mo. Bigay mo sa police officer. Calby, ticket mo. Ay, don't say oo.
Okay, thank you.
Sige. Okay, tara.
Tables and chairs na lang daw.
Salamat po. Saan yung pambata? Sa unahan pa, no? Here. Sige. Saan ang ano niyo, sir? Canteen, mag-order ng lunch. Para sa lunch, pwede dyan? May pagkain dyan? Restaurant? Ito, restaurant. Oh. Pwede din dyan mag-order. Sige. Tama na, come, run. Kahap. Go!
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy.
Huh?
Ice cream good.
Chico, are you having fun? Chico, are you having fun? Let's go again. Magtatatlong oras na kami, guys. Dito. Ngayon ay Sabado nga pala. Nakauwi ako galing Davao Airport. Alas 4 na kami nakarating ng bahay ni Mama at ni Madam Sheena. Natulog na kami ni Mama. Doon nagising na ako alas 7. Imposible kasi pag isang bahay kayo, tapos may mga anak ka na ganitong edad, imposible makakatulog ka ng 8 hours. Kasi yung mga anak ko maaga yan sila naglalambing. So mga alas 5 pa lang, alas 6 pa lang, sometimes alas 4, tumatabi na sila sa akin. Kagabi, inayos ko lang si Chico, guys, pero naramdaman niya agad yung kamay ko. So ayaw niya na magpabitaw. Talagang kinarga ko na lang hanggang sa kwarto. At ngayon, dahil ngayong Monday, tatrabaho na ako ulit. Ngayon, nag-date kami tatlo ng aking mga boys. So, yung mga lalaki muna, yung mga anak ko munang lalaki yung sinama ko today. Si Chico, tsaka si Kulot. Si Mayumi, hindi ko na muna sinama kasi meron siyang rashes. Hindi pwede sa mainit, tsaka sa tubig. Pinapagaling pa namin yung rashes niya. Tsaka si Ate Budji, medyo, ano siya, tawag nito, kabuanan. Kabuanan. Anong kabuanan? Period yung ganun, kaya hindi niya lumabas. So, okay lang din kasi medyo alanganin ako kay Mayumi. Ayan na sila ka-Alvis. Enjoy na enjoy. So, anong nangyayari? Anong nangyayari kaninang umaga, nung naglambing yung dalawang anak ko, nagkaayayaan na lang kami. Sabi ko, punta na lang tayo ng swimming pool, mag-slide kayo. Pinakita ko yung picture. So, sobrang excited sila. Yun nga, dinala ko sila dito. Andito na kami, guys, mga 11. And right now, mag-aalas 3 na. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Mag-aapat na oras na kami dito, ha, in fairness. So, tuwang-tuwa naman yung mga anak ko. Kasi yung entrance fee dito, kami lang ni Calby ang kailangang magbayad. This is around 500 pesos. Then si Chico, since hindi niya pa naabot yung height, wala siyang bayad. Libre pa siya. And then, bumili na lang kami ng lunch. tsaka nagbayad ng table tsaka chair kasi kami lang naman tatlong lumabas. So mamaya sigurado to guys, sa level ng kanilang tuwa, talagang tulog sila nito mamaya. Kasi ngayon mag-aalas 4 na ba? Mag-aalas 3 na. Kanina ko pa sila talaga sinusundan, nagsa-slide together. So talagang nilagay ko yung cellphone ko sa bag kasi gusto ko rin makipaglaro sa kanila at mag-slide kasama si Calby. Alam nyo, napansin ko kay Calby guys ha. Wait lang. Alam nyo guys, napansin ko kay Calby kanina sa buong 4 na oras. Sobrang saya ko at sobrang proud ako sa anak ko. And I'm also happy and proud as nanay na pinasok ko talaga siya sa swimming class. Kasi normally, etong ganito kalalim, which is around 3 feet, si Calby, meron na talaga yung siyang takot sa tubig. Yun yung problema ko sa kanila kasi hindi sila nag-e-enjoy. Dapat laging nakakapit sa akin. Pero as you can see, etong water slide na area na to for the children, 3 feet yan siya. Ayan. Si Calby guys, never ko na siyang binantayan. Sinisilip-silip ko lang siya, tapos tinatawag ko maya-maya yung pangalan niya. Then sabi ko, pag tinawag kita, sasagot ka para malaman ko na okay ka. So pag sinabi kong, Calby, sasabi siya, yes ma'am. Ganun lang, kasi alam ko na okay siya. So every, ayun, your brother is wearing the pink one. Oh, like that? What did you say? Ay, they said, hey, like that? Your brother is calling you. Anak, don't. Anak, you're shouting too much. You're gonna finish your voice. I will bring him there. I will take him there. Okay. So, kanina pa talaga sila nag-e-enjoy. Tuwang-tuwa naman ako nanonood sa kanila. Kasi kanina, maraming mga bata. So, nagkaroon sila ng playmates. So, bay, nahuhubaran na ako, guys. I not like that. Anak, he cannot touch you. He's still young. Just slide together. Nagkaroon sila ng friends together. And then, nung wala na yung mga friends nila, sila na lang dalawa. Katulad niyan, oh. Hey, go up.
Back to the blue one.
To the blue one.
Yeah, come on.
Ayan. So, magaling din si Calby mag-ano sa kapatid niya kasi kanina ayaw ni Chico mag-slide mag-isa. Gusto niya lagi akong kasabay mag-slide. Ngayon, tinatry ni Calby na mag-slide sila together na wala ako. So, ang unang ginawa ni Calby, nag-start siya dun sa pinaka-simple at pinaka-madaling slide, yung pinaka-maiksi. Nung nag-enjoy na si Chico guys, dahan-dahan niyang hinila dun sa slide na medyo interesting, yung pa-spiral, pero nandito pa rin sa pambata. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang, inaabangan ko na lang sila sa dulo. To make sure na okay sila. Kasi kapag ka-water activity, dapat extra careful talaga tayong mga magulang. So, maya-maya mga alas 4, matatapos yung day entrance namin. Ang nagastos ko sa aming day, bonding date na to, around 1,000 pesos. 600 para sa entrance fee. Kasali na yung table and chairs namin. And then 400 para sa food. So kung nasaan kami ngayon guys, this is MJ Water Theme Park dito sa Jensen. Sorry. So other than this water slide area and fountain area, maganda kasi ito kapag naka-on yung mga fountain niya kasi may bucket. Other than this, meron din silang wave pool na malaki at masaya. Pero mas nag-play yung wave tawag na ito every 1 hour. Pero feeling ko mamaya pa yan gabi kasi wala masyadong tao ngayon. Kami lang. Nagtataka nga ako kasi Saturday naman. Pero talagang tahimik today. Ayan, Chico. Not like that, my love. So, pagka alas 4, uuwi na rin kami. At ako, sigurado ako guys, tulog na tulog yung mga anak ko nito. And sasabayan ko na rin silang matulog para makabawi. Makabawi naman ako ng tulog. Kasi kanina, mga 3 oras lang talaga yung tulog ko in total. Ayan. Wow. You catch Chico. Hindi na takot si Chico sa tubig guys at saka sa slide. Ang galing ni Calby. Ayan. Up. Ayan, officially guys, mag-aapat na oras na talaga silang dalawa. Tinatawag ko na sila kasi sabi ko hindi sila pwedeng magkain sa tubig. Chico, Calby, come! Tapos babanlawan ko na rin silang dalawa para makauwi na kami. Pero magko-close na sila for the daytime kasi mag-open na yung nighttime. So lahat ng pumasok sa umaga kailangan nang lumabas. Naantay pa namin na wave pool panghuli pero hindi na siya bumalik. So babanlawan ko na lang tong dalawang kulot ko. Come on guys! Kita niyo nag-uusap silang dalawa about sa bola. Si Chico oh. Mas mabigat pa yung bola sa kanya pero laban kasi ayaw niya mag-share. Ayaw niya mag-share. Hindi pa siya ready mag-share. Wala naman kumukuha pero binabantay niya yung bola. Come, ligo na. Sorry po. We left you. Mag-sorry ka muna kay Mayumi. We left her. Chico, what did you say to Mayumi? Sorry po. Mayumi will play with mommy later. Because she's having a nice manas. No, only Mayumi. Sorry po. Iniwan ka namin. Say sorry to your sister.
Sorry, Mayumi.
For what?
Mayumi, drink some.
So cute.
Yeah.
She's not allowed to drink Yakult pa man.
Unk.
Just pretend.
And she drank all of it.
Sino magsabi na sorry kay Mayumi for leaving her?
Lungkot si Mayumi.
Sorry po, Mayumi.
I don't want to be my friend.
Say sorry to Mayumi for leaving her.
No.
Guys, ako Vaseline sa ni. Where are you going, guys? Where are you dressed up?
Because we're going to the playroom.
And as Rocky? Yeah, you look so cool.
Me too.
Beh, you too. Let me see you. Wow, you look so cool.
What's up?
What's up? Who are you?
Zuma.
You're Zuma. Let me see that face. Wow. You love it? Who put on your costume?
Me.
You did. Good job. You're a big boy.
Yeah.
Do you need mommy help?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
See?
Can you see with the mask on?
Yeah.
You can see?
Yes.
Okay.
I can use the window.
You're going to use the window to go out.
No, I don't want to use the window.
How about your socks? You don't know how to put on socks.
I know.
Okay, show me.
Look, I'm showing you. Almost finished.
Excited sila ngayon, Sunday. Pupunta sila sa playroom kasama ang mga pinsan nila.
But Mom, last time we went to the pool. Now we are going to have fun again.
Yeah, because Mommy Sheena wants to see you. That's okay.
Yeah, I love Mom.
But huwag niyo kalimutan magsabi ng
Behave.
behave at ano sabihin kay Mommy Sheena?
Behave. See, even the teacher say behave.
Ano sabihin niyo kay Mommy Sheena bago maglaro? Salamat, Mommy Sheena.
Salamat, Mommy Sheena. She's taking us. See Harmon, and we can go to the playroom. But Mommy, last time Harmon went to the SM. Now she will not know that we went to the SM. Okay?
Okay. Si ano daw nandun si Zeri Mahal tsaka si Z.
So she cannot tell.
Excuse muna. You need help?
No.
Tama yan siya. The other one, mali yung other one. Yan. Isang medyas. Come. This one, oh. Ito, oh. Dali, come. I will show you. Come lang.
Wow.
Okay na ng headband ni Mayumi. Grace, guys, oh.
Play na.
Mami Shinshin have surprise for you.
Where?
Close your eyes first.
Close your eyes first. Sit down and close your eyes.
Nobody will cheat. Close your eyes. Cover your eyes. Close properly.
Close. 1, 2, 3. Open!
You know what is it? Alamat ng...
Alamat ng...
Soy.
Kasoy! This is the kasoy!
You see?
Hindi na-internalize ni Calvi pa.
It's outside the fruit before
Outside.
Christmas.
Why the seed is outside?
Why the seed is outside? Who can answer?
He said,
An ice cream for the one who can answer.
because he was so sad
Where? He was sad where?
in that tree.
Inside.
Inside the... So what did he ask from the fairy?
He asked that I want to go outside.
And did the
Oh.
fairy put him outside?
Yes.
What happened when he was outside?
He was happy, angry,
He was angry because of...
because
It was... It was
cold.
what? It was
cold,
cold and...
rainy.
So what did he do again?
He asked to come back inside.
Did the fairy listen?
No,
What did the fairy say?
no,
Huh?
no.
He promised that he is not going to ask anymore, right?
Moving
So, the kasoy seed stayed where? Outside or inside?
outside.
Oh, outside. He's outside. All of them are outside
But what
now.
when are we going to remove them?
We're going to remove them later when we're going to tell the story again. We're gonna tell the people. Okay? I'm gonna take a video and show to Teacher Jade. Good idea? That you know how the story of kasoy, alamat ng kasoy? I'll take a video.
Ari isa gaano pag-imagine pa.
Chico, what did the kasoy seed say?
But why is he not having them?
The shoes?
Doesn't have eyes and legs.
No eyes and legs. It's just a real seed. It's not.
It's a real fruit.
It's not from the book.
It's not from a book.
Can we eat it?
Yeah, the one you eat, the cashew nut.
The cashew nut, this is from this one.
So can we eat a gustoy?
Now,
Not
no, you
now.
cannot eat it because it will burn your lips.
You will eat them later.
How about this?
Not to because it's raw.
So what was the lesson of the story? Alamat ng kasoy. That you should what?
Promise.
You should
Promise.
not. Molly. Chico. Chico. Where are you going? Wait lang kay Mami Sheena.
Wait lang, wait lang. Wait lang, Calvi.
Sige lang. Go. Kabalo ka, te. Dahil lang, lata lang ko. Go! Ako daw. Press, Chico, press! Press, Chico, press! Press, one more time. Okay. Chico, Chico! Look where you're going, Chico! Look, 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 look! Silipa si Grace ka.
Yay! You're the winner, Calvi!
What do you mean?
Playroom. Mommy.
Ano pa din sa yaka?
Playroom there.
The playroom there is not very big. The one in SM has trucks and stones and robots And the thing that you put inside and the ball fly, remember? The one that Muning likes.
But that one's not fun. That's it.
There's finish up.
Alam na, ano sa kanya mo, ano sa
Spicy.
Dini kay ano, gani matapos.
What's the spaghetti?
Mga spicy na nga crab. Ay, naku, ito.
Nakuha kang tissue sa Jollibee.
Nawala na ko yung baro.
Don't forget your mask and your cap.
My hat.
Masarap?
Who took it away?
Saan ang hat mo? Ito oh. Tsaka sa SM na lang kay Dako. Gamay man dali.
Why SM na?
Kasi yung dito man na ay maliit.
Big.
Nya, panganak pa. Manganak pa ka. Yung ate namin di kanda o gaga sa kanyang mga pamangkin. Side, ano ba? Side A, side B. Hindi pa yan tapos sis. Meron ka pa dito sis. Iwan kita mamaya kay manood pa ako ng sine. Manood pa ng sine. Iniwan lahat ang anak sa ate.
Oo, mag-alas living ka dapat sini.
Yeah, hello love again. Ayaw lang kay matrangkaso na si Madam. Ana siya, ikaw daw i-admit siya pala. Pagod na pagod. Kasama namin si Madam Tess. Ano kami, family day out. Ayan, kompleto lahat ang aming mga makukulit na mga... May bisita kami guys. Akala nila Pasko na pero hindi pa. Ayan ang bisita namin. Single yan. Bilhin nyo na. Binenta. Yan, assistant kanino? Assistant ka ni? Ma'am Sheena. Anong comment mo kay Ma'am Sheena? Mabait ba?
Opo.
Mabait?
Sobra.
Eh, binayaran ka lang eh. Andito ang aking brother-in-law, guys. Hi! Sa lahat ng Daan family dyan. Maraming salamat. Andito si Tatay, ang husband ng aking second sister na si Ma'am Tets. And ipagluluto niya kami ng dinner. Ngayon kami ikakain ng ulo ng isda, sabaw at saka paksiw. Sinigang. 6:43 PM and nandito kami ngayon sa bahay ko. Minsan na ako nagkakaroon ng bisita dito guys kasi alam ko pag nagsama-sama kami magkakapatid, mabungkag yung bahay namin. Mabungkag means masasabog, masisira. Kasi sa mga bata pa lang guys, parang instead na makapag-relax ka, sasabog yung eardrum mo. Sa sobrang ano nila, kasi hyper yung mga bata pag nagsasama-sama. Ngayon si Mama, ang kanyang apo sa akin ay 4, kay Madam Ten Gibbs ay 3, sa ikalawang kapatid ko ay 3 din. So that is 10 in total. Ayan. So pag nagsama-sama sila, masyado na talagang maingay kapag maliit yung space. So dito nga sa bahay, nag-ayayaan kami na dito naman mag-dinner kasi lagi na lang kay Madam Ten Gibbs. So ganito lang yung setup ko guys, simplihan lang talaga. Ang ginawa ko is, pinakain ko na mauna yung mga bata at ngayon nanonood na sila ng TV. Pero ganyan lang siya guys. Nag-prepare lang ako ng table. Then eto, meron tayong bagoong na galing pa sa Palawan. Yan ay bagoong tahong. Then meron tayong paksiw. Ayun na, may nag-iyak na. Paksiw na isda. Sino miyak? Si Muning. Kita nyo, nagsiyakan na. So, minsan dito ko rin nilalagay yung mga bata sa kwarto. Pero as you can see, they're not interested by the looks of it, you guys. Then, hindi naman sila pwede sa kwarto ko kasi meron akong mga importanteng gamit. Kita nyo guys, may naglaro ng bato, iniwan lang dito. Baka mamaya magtapunan sila ng bato. So, hindi ko na sila pinalaro sa bedroom ko dahil may mga gadget ako dyan. Ayan. So, pina-open ko lang kasi ang aircon ay hindi pa nalinisan and parang hindi na siya malamig. Uy, kanina nga pala guys, may nakita akong bedsheet na plain color. Kasi mga kapatid ko, kapag bumibili ng mga bedsheets, not in my bedroom please. Pag bumibili sila ng bedsheets, nagkakaayayaan, sinasabi nila kung may sale o ganito. Ako, hindi ako basta-bastang bumibili kasi tinatanggal ko sa sarili ko yung masyadong nagtatambak ng gamit. As long as hindi ko pa kailangan, hindi ako bumibili. So, etong bedsheet para sa kwarto ko, isa lang talaga ito na set. Yung may extra lang ay yung mga anak ko lang, which is dalawa lang ata or tatlo lang yung extra nila kasi minsan sunod-sunod na marumi or minsan pag mabaho, talagang pinapapalitan ko kasi gusto ko as much as possible yung mga bata, komportable yung tulog nila, tsaka maiwasan din yung sakit. Then si mama, 2 set kay mama, pero akin isang set goods na. So maybe next year bibili ako ng isang set guys. So nagtitingin-tingin ako kanina at may nakita ako doon na plain na color na gusto ko, para siyang faded pink. Then, inaantay ko siyang mag-sale. Kapag mag-sale siya, baka ngayong December, bibilhin ko siya for my second set dito sa kwarto ko. So, magiging 2 set na siya. At least, every other month, iba yung palitan silang dalawa. Hindi masyadong maluluma itong aking original na cover. Which is, ang kulay is, hindi ko alam anong shade to. Parang nasa beige. Ayan, sinabay lang siya sa cortina and sa medyo green-gray or something na pintura ng aking kwarto. So, kanina guys, nung nilabas ko yung mga bata, nilabas namin ng ate ko para maglaro. Yes, auntie?
It said it needs to add some vinegar, but it's finished. Then
Ang ulam namin ay paksiw na ulo ng isda at saka kinilaw at sabaw na bangus.
Sarap.
Ano si Madam Sheena, Tatay Rafi, and Madam Tess.
May time.
Andiyan din si Madam
Hi
Tess.
guys! First time ko nakakain sa bahay ni Yega. Mabuti may ulam siya.
May ulam naman.
Wala ka plano ba?
May ulam naman guys, gabi.
Diretso lang. Nakakain kami sa fine dining niya guys. Ano ko?
Kain sana kami sa labas kasi may lamesa ako doon.
Tignan nyo guys, pero chandelier pa sa dito. Amin doon bulb lang.